Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro available on your iPhone? So, I already installed the application what Soundcore offer for the earbuds, and if we open it, we can click at device, and if we click at this earbuds icon, we can see supported devices. Then you need to go to setup manually, and our model is Liberty 3 Pro, so we need to tap at the Liberty series, and here it is, there is our model, and my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!